Yo, what is happening, guys? I am currently on my way right now to go fish with Cody and Andy on their 16-foot bass boat. It's currently 2:54 p.m. and I was supposed to leave like at 12:30. Get in my car, battery's completely dead. No jumper cables, no nothing. Calling people, no one's showing up. I finally get towing over, they try to jump the battery. Nothing, still same thing. I take the battery out, the date, 1/18, over 5 years old. So that probably explains why I wasn't starting. I got a new battery, put the new battery in, my freaking key dies. I had to replace the key battery. And I finally left. It's almost 3 now. I'm leaving almost 2.5 hours later after all of that. I'll catch up to y'all on the water. Please subscribe for this. I also got a new 7.6 heavy flipping rod with 50-pound braid. I got my Corrado on there. I'm ready to go freaking slam some fish. Really appreciate it if you stick around for the whole video. I'm gonna be there about 15 minutes, so stay tuned.
Don't hate the braid.
Hit your chatterbait on this pontoon boat. Dude, what the f am I doing, bro? I'm not used to such a long rod.
Yeah, let me get under the stock real quick.
Terrible.
Ow! I forgot how hot freaking fluorocarbon is. Yeah, you got me.
What are y'all's two biggest fish this year?
8.3.
Yours is 8.3? What's your, Cody's?
7.47.
I have a bigger fish than Cody this year.
You don't have bigger fish than me.
Yeah, that's why I said Cody and not Andy.
Last year, my very first, I lost one, right? And then 2 or 3 minutes later, I caught a 6. Then after that, it was I mean, I would catch I caught a bunch of 5 and 6s last year, but nothing really big. 1.7, and then what's crazy is I literally drug a chatterbait across this. But yep, Andy, there's like a school of fish beneath us. Whenever we would, you'd bite it. Oh, sure enough, right beneath us. Right beneath us, right here.
Yep. Yeah. Literally bottom fishing for grouper.
Does it feel good?
Yes, dude. Just solid weight on there.
That's crazy.
I literally just turned off my camera, guys, because like I've been recording for a while, and literally as soon as I do that, Cody sets the hook into this like 1.5 pounder.
Long, skinny, almost like I said it. Pound 7? 1.74. See, that's the thing. That's a good kayak fish right there.
1.74.
Because he is long but skinny. All right, buddy.
Oh yeah, because they go off of.
Rod 11 through the top.
All right, sweet.
Crazy. That should be one right there. I'm definitely gonna throw it over there at the other spot. Nice, yeah. There's a drain right there, so probably one sitting there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
it's like
we said that or something.
I barely even reel once.
Like maybe me and Cody know what I'm talking about.
Nah.
Nah, it couldn't be that.
Nah. I have my $206 receipt from Advance Auto in my pocket still. Wyatt caught a 3-pounder right here last time we were out here. Well, Cody picked up a moving bait and you picked up a moving bait, so I was like, okay, well, they know what I'm doing. They know what they're doing more than I do, so.
I just was wanting to catch another giant, so I picked up this.
I almost took your head off, but look at that. That's crazy.
It didn't eat the dang chatterbait.
Dude, what the f... This... That was...
So we just got hit on both sides of the boat. Very
Very
logical. I'm actually very saddened to hear that.
I guess I'll go in the back. That's where all the fish are anyways. Yep. Honestly, I could just sit back here and just drag the speedworm behind the boat. I mean, I already got 2 bites doing it. But they just want to be little babies and not eat the whole thing. That's a fish.
Keep him pegged. Keep him pegged right there. There's a lot of grass. I think it's grass.
It's definitely a fish. It's moving.
Holy. Just over. Keep him pegged. Right over here.
Is he really? It was a fish. I swear to God. On everything I love, it was a fish. Dude, it was a fish. I got the footage, bro. You guys think I'm tripping? You can see the footage of freaking. No, bro. You think I'm that stupid? I just set the hook into a lily pad and said it was a fish?
I didn't say. All I ask is 1 fish per Cinco. But we go through a 30 pack with you and we catch about 4 fish.
What are you talking? I used 2 fish.
I'm not saying it's just you, but it's your fault. You might come back and then the boat is still just same way you broke it. Ain't bad.
Hello, my name is Mr. Fisher.
1.5.
What is that?
Hi, buddy. I don't know. I think I put it on in like 2020 because I was dating this girl and I remember putting it, spooling up the night because we were expecting to go fish Reedy, so I rigged everything up for fishing Reedy. We get there and Reedy's slaying, so they changed our tournament to they switched our tournament to clinch.
Sweet.
Joey, you can weigh that one. I'm not weighing it. I'm fishing. Well, this will be
Oh,
the fifth
okay.
one though, right? Should be.
Well, I don't know how to use your scale.
3 ones out of the freaking boat. 3 ones. 174. All right. Another little guy, 1.5 pounds. Chunky little feller, because he's not very long. We'll take him.
You got my heart, you got. I'm casting backhand, I hope you know that. Yeah, you backlash, that's what you get for laughing at me.
Dude,
That's so annoying. Oh my. That was so gay. It was 100% your fault.
Oh.
I don't know why I can't ever set the hook on this boat. That literally made no sense at all. Perfect. Dude, how do I... Yeah, literally, dude.
You see that angle? You see the angle underneath the dock?
Yeah, I know, I suck, Cody. That's what you have to realize. Yay, look at Cody go, catching all the fish. Oh my gosh, that thing is
That's why
like...
he came off the first time.
Why?
That thing's like 8 inches.
He's just a baby.
Look at the mouth on this thing, guys.
When I grow up, I'm gonna be a 10-pounder. Yay!
Dude, give me some skin.
You like that fishy hands I got?
Yeah. How's this fair? We
I was literally messing around.
literally just started the motor and we're about to leave. And
think you will? Well, call the smallest. 1.7.
like I don't get it. I don't get it. What am I doing wrong?
There's a bunch of fish there, just small.
That was a fish. Damn, man. What do you? I don't want to. Thanks. Dude, you know what you were doing? Bro, what the f are you doing? Bro, get the f away from me.
Hey guys, Joey gave up. It's been a tough day for the poor guy. He should have just gave me his camera and filmed me. Oh, you know, it's what it is. You know, Joey's a little upset, so it's getting late. He's gonna take a little nap. Caught 7 or 8 today, and one of them was a 7.4, which, you know, if Joey didn't have car problems, he would have got that on video too. But he's been a pretty good net man so far. So, oh, well, and he's been good for nothing.
I played one fish with you when I didn't know.
He ate one of my Reese's. That's about the only thing he's done today.
And used like 3 Senkos.
And used 3 Senkos for 0 fish. But I will say, the offshore bite's not what it's been. Poor guy, you know. It's just, what are you gonna do? You know, we were hoping that the offshore bite would be something we could count on to come run and catch a couple, but these fish are just not about it. Oh, I just got hit right there. Yeah, pretty tough day. I've only caught 7. We need to catch one more fish to make the day complete. And since I'm wearing the camera, it's probably going to be on video. So I'm not even using something I normally use. So. I'm not gonna turn it off because I got bit when it was stupid Joey made me lose a fish because oh begging. Don't reel him up too much. Okay, you're still good. Net man, 5-pounder. There you go, you're playing him good this time.
He's like 3. Guess I stopped fishing. Can I touch him, please? Take him out of the net for you. Oh my god, I touched the fish today. Oh my gosh.
See, a lot just happened. I saw a fish. I was trying to.
Talk about a hook set.
Joey told me to turn the video off, and
How about that for a hook set?
Yeah, it's perfect. Joey told me to turn the video off, and I lost one. What an idiot! All right, I'm gonna open them up. That is 15-10 so far today.
My guess is
3.5.
My guess is 3.5. 3 pounds, 5 ounces.
359, and he's gonna go in for the.
What's up?
174.
Spot on.
3.5.
1695 total. Alright, move your ugly face.
Is it actually ugly?
All right.
Be honest.
Crap, there's another fish right there. Hold the scale.
Okay.
Let me catch him.
Make sure you're running.
Yeah, it's running.
Don't listen to me.
I'm gonna make sure.
Don't even take anything from me, dude. Just
Yeah, when I first start listening to Joey, stuff goes bad. So I'm gonna not listen to him anymore. I lost my second fish of the day.
Why is my camera on you right now?
It's a good question.
I think no. You guys caught fish because I stopped fishing. I swear that's what it is.
As soon as Joey picked up a fishing pole, we stopped having bites. As soon as he puts it down, I mean, dude, it's like a light switch goes off and these suckers just start biting.